Hey everybody, this is Mr. Beckstrom, and today I'm going to go over a home problem from section 3.10. This is on the derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions, and we have here y is equal to the inverse cosecant of x squared plus 1, where x is greater than 0. And here is the formula for finding the derivative of the inverse cosecant function here for x. But notice that we don't have an x here, we have an x squared plus 1. So we're going to need to apply the chain rule since we have something other than just an x in there. And that means that not only do we have to find the derivative like this, then we have to multiply it by the derivative of the inside function here too. So let's go ahead and get that started here. So this is going to be equal to, or the derivative is going to be equal to, so let's apply this. So wherever there's an x, I'm going to replace that with x squared plus 1. So this is going to be absolute value of x squared plus 1. And then multiply this by, replace that x in here with x squared plus 1. So x squared plus 1. And we have to square that. And then we're going to have a minus 1 here. And we have a negative sign out front there because that's in the thing. And then we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside function there. The derivative of x squared plus 1 is just going to be equal to 2x. And then it's just a matter of really cleaning it up here. So this is going to be a negative. We'll have 2x on the top. On the bottom, whenever we can drop an absolute value bar, it's really good that we can. And I look at it this way. It really actually doesn't even matter that that x is greater than 0, because no matter what we square, we're either going to get a 0 or a positive number, and then when we add a positive number to that, we'll definitely have a positive number. So there's no way we can get a negative number in the absolute value bracket, so we can just kind of drop in parentheses. That's x squared plus 1. Sometimes that helps because we'll have another factor that we can cancel that out with. And then on the inside here, we're going to need to go ahead and FOIL that out. So that's going to be x squared plus, oops, not x squared, x to the 4th. I didn't make my 2 very good here, did I? X to the 4th plus 2x squared plus 1, and then we have a minus 1 here. Alright, so then just once again cleaning it up. So we'll have a negative out here. We got the 2x on top. Here we're going to have the x squared plus 1. And then in here, the plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel out. So I can factor out an x squared in here. And then I can take the square root of that, which is just going to be x. It's just going to be x, right? Pull that out. And then inside here, we're just left with that x squared plus 2. X squared plus 2. And I'm pretty sure that's almost all we can do with it, except for cancel out that x. So our final answer is negative 2 all over x squared plus 1 times the square root of x squared plus 2. All right. If you all have any questions, please let me know. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. Thanks.